This is the on-stage 1/4 inch male to 5/8 inch female adapter. This is for putting on a microphone stand, so you can use like a camera or something on here. So here's your standard microphone stand right here. This just screws onto here. Simple as that. And once that's locked on there, you can put your typical camera or lighting accessory adapter onto there, like so. And then you can attach whatever accessory it is you want to use on there. Like I've got the shoe on here, or you could put a camera or whatever else you would normally screw into a tripod. What this gives you the option to do is use a microphone stand, you know, in place of a tripod or whatever. Obviously microphone stands are more durable, last longer. If you got a boom stand, you got plenty of options where you could go high, low, and all over the place. This is just the perfect thing, exactly what I was looking for. And there it is. Nice quality metal. Love it. On stage.